Hello, techies. We are in lab 1.3.10 and we're going to create a SOHO network. So in this lab, you will design a small office home network using the network modeler. We're going to add the computers to the canvas and then drag all computers to the network. Okay, add the switch to the canvas, and these are the details. Add the router to the canvas, and these are the details. And connect the switch to the router, and these are the details we're going to use in the connection. And we are going to connect the computers to the switch, and these are the details that we are going to use to connect the computers to the switch. So we're going to follow all of this to the detail, and the tag C says to connect a DHCP address to verify that a DHCP address is assigned, and these are the details. And the last tag, which is tag 7, is to verify connectivity by pinging the gateway, and these are the details provided. So, and we start. Okay, let's say this is lab 1.3.10, so we start lab. Alright, so if this video appears to be too fast for you all, I'm sorry about that. You can always pause the video and walk at your own pace. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible. Let's see the questions we have. Okay, alright, so let's start. Add the computer to the canvas and then drag all the 3 computers to the modeler canvas. So we drag this here, and drag the last one here. Okay, so add the switch to the canvas. So let's add our switch to the canvas. Switch is added. Add the router to the canvas. Let's go to our router, add it to the canvas also. And what else are we doing? Connect the switch to the router. So click the, okay, so let's connect our switch. So connection port 1, connection port 0, and then create a link icon, create the router, click the router and select port O, connect the computer to the switch and click, let's see, click the switch and select an open port. Okay, so Ethernet, connect this, port 1 is open, Ethernet, select port 2 is open here, and let's cancel this. Ethernet, port 3 is open. Okay, so this is connected. The next task, verify the DHCP address is assigned. Right click on PC1 and select launch Windows. Okay, so let's launch Windows. Okay, so we're going to settings and maximize this. Let's see. So let's get the details. It's 192.168.1.20. So I think that will help us answer question 1. So we just yeah, this is it. So you might need to type in yours if yours is not bringing out this. The next one mine is showing all of this is because I've used these for some time. So just type it out if yours is not showing the list of these details, but it's supposed to show all, bring up all these options. So that is it. So 192.168.1.0, and I guess that is it. So tag 7, verify connectivity by pinging gateway. Okay, so we click on start menu, and then we go to terminal, and then we're going to ping 192.168.1.1, and yes, this ping is successful. We check our answers. If this video was helpful to you, Remember to share so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next video.